Hi, I'm Hormuz Batliboi, Principal Architect of Batliboi Studio. Welcome to Bed-Stuy, Brooklyn, and welcome to the home I created for my family. So this house is a typical Brooklyn brownstone. It's part of a landmark historic district. And like most of the houses on this block, it dates from the 1880s and is in the neo-Gothic style. We bought this 100-plus-year-old abandoned townhouse and it needed a full gut renovation. By bringing my own modern and contemporary sensibility, I wanted to create a dialogue of point and counterpoint between old and new, contemporary and historic, interior and exterior. So, let's go check it out. So these row houses were typically split 1/3, 2/3 down the length. And when you account for the foyer and the entry area, the front becomes really narrow and allowed us to locate the living area at the rear and use the entire width of the house. So what's in the middle? The kitchen. It's literally and metaphorically the heart and center of this living space, and it's anchored by a 12-foot-long kitchen island made possible by using a countertop of solid surface with fused seams. These new walnut cabinets echoed the mahogany doors of the parlor floor coming into the main space. You're probably wondering how this kitchen functions for a family of 4. In order to keep the open-plan kitchen as uncluttered as possible, appliances have their dedicated pull-out drawers. On either side of the stove, every possible spice is decanted into their own jars. But the best part? This massive set of white drawers that basically holds all our plates, cups, glasses, everything. And the great thing about that? The kids can reach it all because it's so low. I opted for a hand-blown glass tile, taking a cue from the original glass tiles that were revealed when we stripped the original fireplace mantles on either side of the kitchen. We picked this one because the abstract swirling of the molten glass was a beautiful counterpoint to the more traditional glass tiles that we had in the house. Facing south and drenched by sunlight, the exterior and interior are connected through this set of oversized folding doors that allow for a full connection between inside and outside. Materially, the grain of the Garapa wood deck continues in the same direction as the white oak wood flooring in the living area, thus subtly directing you to go from inside to outside. Within the open-plan parlor floor, the living area itself is defined by this huge Persian carpet, the pattern and texture of the carpet contrasting with the neutrality of the furnishings we have. When we bought this house, these original fireplace mantles were completely covered over with white paint. We lovingly stripped them down, cleaned them up, reset them, and realized that these were the original mahogany fireplace mantles. And now they've become the focal point of both the living and the dining areas. The original brick walls were stripped clean, and then a light whitewash creates a neutral background for our collection of art. Here in the master suite, full-height openings between the bedroom and the closet create the illusion of more space and light in the central part of the floor plate where I located the bathrooms. The master bathroom is a serene escape in the house, with the bronze floor tile complemented by the brushed bronze fixtures. The kids' suite is a mirror image of the master suite, but with some playful touches and ample storage for all of their toys, games, clothes, sports equipment. I really hope that you enjoyed seeing how we took this historic house and made it into a new, contemporary, modern home for our own family. Thank you for joining me. Come by and visit us in Bed-Stuy, Brooklyn.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. How about love? Share these homes, you know?